Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. One of them is hot, hot, hot. So I'm going to show it to you first because it is amazing. It is the double pop out card die set. Now chances are you've already seen, or you might even already have, the one that pops out on the side, just the one side, right? But you know, I can never go just like do one, right? Because you know, I always like kind of go crazy, right? So what if we had one that did both sides, right? Now, for example, hang on, I have my favorite one here to share with you. You can also do it on the inside of a card. Ready? Look at this. What? I know, isn't that awesome? They literally double pop out. So fun. So now you could do the side pop out, or dun, 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 you could do the double pop out. So I'm really excited about that one. So I have more samples to share with you, don't worry. Then we also have the Fancy Frame Pin Dot, P-I-N dot, meaning it has little tiny dots all the way around. This is brand new. The shape is not brand new because dun, 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 it's going to coordinate with the flip it, right? But this design here is brand new. I've never done the pin dot like this. It is awesome. You're going to want to check it out. Also released today is the Inside Scallop Circle Dies. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. Here's a mini version. There's one of the small circles. Look how cute. You're getting the inside scallop, and you're getting stitch, and you're getting dots on this die. Now, this die set might look like it's 1, 2, 3, 4 dies, but really it's 8 die cuts, because the insides of these, see where it's white? That could be a die as well, right? You could die cut on those. Isn't that awesome? I know. Now, let's look at our samples because they're really fun. So that was the fancy frame, right? Now look at those fun pin dots. I know they might be hard to see on camera, but they are worth it in real life. You're gonna get those fun little dots all the way around. Joy to the world. Or here we go, use one of the smaller ones, and they do layer fantastically, for a slimline. Happy birthday, isn't that cute? Sweet vibes. Or cut them in half and use them for a cute little label on something. So isn't that cute? It's a little tag with a gift card on the inside, and you can just fold it in half and make it a little goodie. Or here's one, you can put it on the front of a card. Hi, open it up. Let your dreams blossom. Isn't that gorgeous? I know. Love that pin dot. It just adds a different detail that we're not used to. Now, let's check out the fun inside scallop. So I've shown you this one already. It includes stitching, dots, and that inside scallop. Here's another example, also perfect for shaker cards. Shaker cards, we love our shakers. But look at how gorgeous that is. It just adds so much extra detail. Look at how cute that is. You are a tweet heart with a cute little note on the inside. Ooh, this is a sneak peek. I better not tell you that one. Ha ha ha. Look how cute this one is. Again, another shaker, because my design team loves shakers. Now, shaker, or use it on the front of one of our box cards. Look at how gorgeous that extra scallop adds to that card. So cute. Here's another shaker using these dies with our cute little penguins. So much fun. Now, ready? Double pop out. Ready? Here we go. Woo, thank you. So you can just decorate. Comes with the layers. Let me show you all the dies it does come with, because it does come with a ton. It comes with the word thanks, vertical. It comes with love and thank you, separate. It comes with scalloped rectangles, straight rectangles, and all the layering dies you're ever gonna want or need, right? Here's that cute little thanks. Look at this. You could pop it out this way if you wanted to. Look at that cute little birdie that popped out. Look, ready? What? I know, isn't that fun? Here's another one. And we're gonna open it this way. Look at that. Love you. Oh, here's a cute one with our gingerbread. Open it up. What? Look at that. For all you do. Look how cute those little guys are. I absolutely love that. Let's see. I think I showed you this one already. Let's look at it again. Happy hello. Open it up. Wow, say cheese. Isn't that fun? Here's a cute one. Look at how gorgeous. Ready? We're gonna open it up. Look at that, love you. So pretty with all those extra pieces. Now, what if you did a haunted house? Look at this. Open it up. Spooky greetings. So fun. Now here's one that we've decorated the inside. Ready? We're gonna open it up. Look at that. Isn't that fun? How, oops, this one's popped in the wrong way. There we go. Ready? Open it up. So if you don't want the triangle version of it, you can put it on the inside of a card just as easily, right? Here's another one where it's put on the inside of a card and now it double pops out. Isn't that fun? I know, I love it, I love it, I love it. Club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Yeah, we have great prices on our website, even if you're not in the club. It's true, you can buy on our website. Regular prices, pretty amazing. But imagine getting an extra 15 or 20% off every single day that you're in the club. Is that a one-time purchase? No, 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 no. Every single time you place an order, as long as you're a club member, you get 15 to 20% off of everything on our website. Die cut machines, accessories, adhesives, anything on my website. No exclusions. I know, isn't it amazing? We love our club members. We want to treat them well. They also get freebies all the time. You've got to go check it out. TheStampsOfLife.com. These samples will also be on our website in the gallery, so you can go check them out, print them, save them. You got it, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.